Hello everyone, welcome back to another one. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at CSX train L303 passing eastbound through Howell, Michigan. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. We're going to watch them pass under some old CNO searchlight signals. Here we go. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in the next one.